Hey everyone, it's Aditya here, and in this video I will show you how you can get Codecademy Pro subscription for free of cost for 3 months of validity. So first of all guys, if you don't know about Codecademy, then Codecademy is one of the most well-known and premium website in the world to learn any type of tech skills that you want to. And if you had not subscribed to this channel yet, then please do it now so that you don't miss any future update. So let's start today's tutorial. So as you can see that this is the website that is Codecademy. So let's head over to website now. This is the website homepage and I have logged in into my account. There you can see that I am a free member currently, and the website is basically divided into two parts, that is free and pro. And the free member, as you can get it with the name, that free member means you have free subscription and you don't have to pay for that. And there is another part of this website that is pro, and in this video I will show you how you can get the pro subscription for free of cost. First of all, I will show you what this website is all about and what it offers to you. Let's just head over to catalog from there, and in the catalog you can see that they have various subjects like full career paths. In the career paths you can start with the code foundation and computer science. These are for the people who don't know anything about programming or computer language, and for the people who just want to start their new life or new journey in the field of computer science and programming. So the code foundation and the computer science, these are both the career paths for those people who wants to start their new journey in the field of computer science and programming. And let's move on to some more paths. So here you can see that this is the data science career path. In this path they will teach you about Python, SQL, data visualization, everything from basic to advanced level. That after completing this whole course you will have the enough experience to apply for any new job related to the data science and data visualization field. So let's move on, and here you can see that they have web development career path also. So they have 4 career paths: code foundation, computer science, data science and web development. After that they have particular skill paths. So skill paths consist of analyze data with Python, analyze data with SQL, and you can see all of them by searching the website yourself. So I will just show you some of the skill paths that they offer here, and here you can see that there are lots of skill paths also. And after skill paths there have particular courses on the technology and programming languages. So here you can see that you can start with HTML, then JavaScript and CSS, Python, command line, GitHub, Ruby, React, PHP. So everything whatever you want to learn, you can just start it from here at the Codecademy. And one thing that you may notice, you can see there is a pro tag attached with some of these cards. So I will tell you what this all about. First just look at the website here and see what they offer. So here you can see that they will offer you lots of the skill that you can learn here. You can also learn how to program Alexa, that is Amazon Alexa, and how to create your own chatbots also. And there are lots of courses guys, and you can just use these courses to upgrade your skills. And no matter whether you are a complete beginner or you are already an experienced programmer, you can just use these courses to upgrade your skills. So these are all the skills that you can learn here, and you can see that there are skills related to every tech path that you can think of. So now let's see how we can enroll in any of these courses. First of all, I will let you see that what you can do with the free account. So as you can see that here they are saying me that try pro for free. It means that my account is currently a free subscription. So in the career paths you can also see that there is a pro tag attached. It means that all these career paths are included in the pro subscription and not in the free subscription. So let's start with just the data science path. As soon as I hit the data science career path, this page just opens up, and here you can see that they say try it for free. It means that they just provide me the pro subscription free for a week, and after that they will charge me a bill. So let's start try it for free here. And here you can see that upgrade your career with Codecademy Pro subscription. And on the right side you can see that they are saying for choose your plan. They have 2 plans, annual plan and monthly plan. So if you go with the annual plan, then you can see that for 7 days you don't have to pay anything, and after 7 days you have to pay around 14,000 rupees. And in dollars also I can show you. So in dollars, after 7 days you have to pay $240 approx for a year. Or in monthly plan you can also set it for monthly. So for monthly subscription you have to pay around $40 a month. So guys, this is all about the introduction about the Codecademy website and its pricing section. So now let's start the second part, in which I will show you how you can get the pro subscription for free of cost. So guys, this is my account of Codecademy Pro, and here you can see that this is my name Aditya Singh and I am a pro member here. So I thought that first I will show you my own account to you so that you don't have any trust issues relating to that. And you can also see here that I have already started a course there, building chatbots with Python, and I have completed it 7%. Now let's just move on to some career paths here and select one of them so that I can show you that I am a pro member and now I can access any career paths or skill path that I want to for free of cost. I'll just select the data science career path here, and you can see that this is the data science career path and it comes under the pro subscription. So let's just click on the data science here, and here you can see that I have just came to this page, and here they say that let's just get started. So I'll just click get started, and as soon as I click get started, that's it guys. You can see that now I am enrolled into the data science career path in the Codecademy Pro, and now so from there I can just start my journey to learn all the skills and technologies that is needed to become a data scientist, and I can just hit the next tab. So I have just completed a intro to data science section, and after that I just have to click on start next lesson. So let's get back to the Codecademy homepage, and now again you can see that I just enrolled into the data science career path, and here also it is showing that I am enrolled into the data science career path and I have completed it 1%. So from here I can just start it again. So guys, this is all about the Codecademy Pro, and now it's time to start the tutorial, and the tutorial is not so much long, so it will just take you around 2 to 3 minutes. So let's start the tutorial now. I have provided you a link in the description area, and this is the link. So let's just open this link, and as soon as you click on that link, so you will just came to log into Codecademy homepage. So guys, from this page you have to just click on this sign up button, and if you already have a Codecademy account, then also you just have to click that sign up button and create a new account. So let's hit this sign up button here, and so guys, you can see that the sign up form has been opened up now, and from here we just need to enter our email and password to create your new Codecademy account. And one thing that you have to remember is don't use any of these accounts like LinkedIn, Google or Facebook or any of these accounts. Just start by entering your email manually here and then set a new password for your Codecademy account. So I'll just enter these information. So as soon as I enter my email address and password and then just hit the start coding for free, then this page comes up. So this is the page which will help us to get our free premium subscription for 3 months. Here you can see that apply for a pro membership. You can also read it here that if you have recently become unemployed, furloughed or closed your business due to COVID-19, then you can apply for your free 3-month membership here. So let's just fill this form here. Here you have to select your country, so I'll just select mine. And in the city section you have to select your city. So after selecting your city and state, they will ask you has your employment been impacted by COVID-19 pandemic, and you have to select unemployed or laid off there, and then they will ask you tell us more about your employment situation. So in this field you just have to write like you are working in a restaurant or a supermarket which has been now closed due to coronavirus and now you are just unemployed. So that's all you need to write here. So let me write it now. So guys, this is what I just write here, that I am working in a restaurant which is now closed due to the coronavirus pandemic and I am just unemployed from last 2 months. And you can also add additional information here that you don't have enough experience to work in a tech company, or you don't have any experience other than working in like restaurants or some helping workers. So just make sure that you added one more line here about something like you don't have any experience related to tech industry and you can't apply for any new job currently, and just like that. So after that we have a section how do you think Codecademy Pro will help you, and in this section you can see that maximum is 1000 characters. So I will just write something like So guys, I have just written something here, and this is what I have written. As I don't have any tech related experience and I am unemployed from past 2 months, I can't apply for a new job because I don't have any skill or knowledge about programming, but taking the course from Codecademy will help me in enhancing my knowledge and help me get started with programming, so that after finishing my learning from here, I can just apply for some programmer's job. So this is what I have written, and you can also write something like that. Just make sure that you don't copy the whole stuff here, because if you just copy the whole stuff, then it may seem that you are just a bot or maybe a fake user and your scholarship may not arrive. But in maximum cases, they are providing the scholarship to all of the students who ever apply for the scholarship from this link. So this is what I have written. You can also write something like that, or you can just edit this text and add 1 or 2 more line here. So after writing both of these two sections, that is, tell us about your current employment situation and how do you think Codecademy Pro will help you, then they ask you to add a photo of yourself, and it is optional, so don't need to add any photo here. And after that, just hit I made all the eligibility requirement here. So I'll just hit this one and then just submit application. So as soon as you submit the application, you will see something like this, that is application received, and you can expect that your application will be reviewed within 14 days, and if approved, then you will receive an email and your pro membership will start automatically. So now there are some points that you need to remember here. First of all, your scholarship will be approved for sure, and here you can see that they are saying that your scholarship will be approved within 14 days, but in maximum cases the scholarship will be approved within 48 hours or less than that. So in maximum case, you can just log into your Codecademy account after 2 days after submitting your application, and you can just see that your pro membership has been activated there. And this pro membership will be available to you for 90 days, that is for 3 months. And in these 3 months, you can just access any of the career paths, skill paths, or whatever skill that they are provided. You can just enroll into it for free of cost. So that's all about this video, and I hope you find this video useful. So if you enjoy this video, then please hit the like button, and also you can share this video with others so that they can also avail this benefit and learn something new from Codecademy. So that's all for this tutorial. Till then, enjoy Python.